which you had not done earlier. This is your MarQ tag. MarQ tag. What is the use of MarQ tag? Am I audible to all? Yes, am I audible, Rhythm, Somil, Japuji? Am I audible? Anji, everyone, am I audible now? Yes, Somil, Rhythm, am I audible? Japuji, Chahat, anyone? Yes, Japuji, am I audible? Somil?
Ma'am, now you are audible.
Okay, thank you. Previously, it was not there, no? Okay, in your rough notebooks, start making the note. Okay, beta, today we are going to start with MarQ tag. MarQ tag. Start making the notes in your rough notebooks. MarQ tag is used to display moving text in the background of web page. Moving text in the background of web page. MarQ tag is used to display moving text in the background of web page. Okay. It is a container tag. It is a container tag. That means it will have an opening as well as closing tag. Syntax will be MarQ. Complete word MarQ you will write. Then you will type the text that you want to display as a moving text. Then you will close the MarQ tag. This is your syntax for MarQ tag. MarQ tag opening, then write the text that you want to display and close the MarQ tag. This will display the text, whatever text you write in between the MarQ tags, that text will keep moving on the web page. Keep moving, keep scrolling on the web page. Okay, let me show you this. Everyone, kindly switch on your cameras. I'm saying it again and again. Avdi, Khyati, switch on your cameras, beta, everyone. Okay, here I'm going to start with the HTML page. I'm having head, title. That is the basic structure of your web page using MarQ tag. Close the title tag, then close the head tag. And now I'm going to start with the body tag because all the tags will appear in the body tag. Here I'm going to say MarQ. Spelling correct होने चाहिए MarQUEE. Testing moving text. Okay. Close MarQ tag. Okay. Now close the body tag if you are not writing anything else. Close the body tag. Then close the HTML tag. I'm displaying only the MarQ on my web page. Okay. Okay. Save it. File tab. Save option. Give the name of the file .html. And one more thing you're supposed to do, save as type all files. Click on save. Now it is saved. Now go to the browser. Then Ctrl+O to open the file. Okay. Select the file where you had saved, location, find the file and click on open. Now you will see, okay, there is an error. Okay, we will find what is the error. Okay. We had HTML, head, title, close, body, Q. Okay, here we are having something. Okay. Hanji. Now it is okay. MARQUEE. File, save as mark.html, all files, save. Okay, now let's see. Anji, you can see the text now. Anji, you can see the text now, moving text on the screen. Yes, is it visible? Okay, now we can add many more things with this. Okay, we can add many more things with this. We can change the background color of the web page. We can change the background color of your MARQUEE. There are many attributes which we can use along with this MARQUEE tag. First of all, write down the various attributes which are used with this tag. Attributes of MARQUEE tag. Please note down in your rough notebooks. Now, what are the various attributes? First attribute is height. What will be the area for MARQUEE? What will be the area for MARQUEE? If you can give it the area in the number of pixels, then you can use the width. What will be the width of the MARQUEE area? MARQUEE जो हमारा scroll कर रहा है text, वो कितने area में scroll करना चाहिए? Width wise. Height कितनी होनी चाहिए? Then we can have the behavior. BEHAVIOR. U use नहीं होगा. Behavior can have the values alternate, scroll and slide. Alternate, scroll and slide. Then you can have the BG color to specify the background color of your MARQUEE. To specify the background color of your MARQUEE. ठीक है? Then you can have direction. Direction in which the MARQUEE will move. Direction in which the MARQUEE will move. Left or right. By default, it is moving from the right hand side towards the left hand side. So I can change that to from left to right. So I can give the direction left, right, up or down. Left, right, up or down. Okay. हाँ जी, नोट डाउन हो गया बेटा? यस अब्दी, हरिओम, नवकरण, नोट डाउन हो गया बच्चे? चाहत, ख्याति? Okay. Okay, now let's try all these attributes one by one in your notepad. Okay. Okay. First of all, I'm giving the BG color for web page also. Suppose I'm giving some purple. Okay. Now MARQUEE. MARQUEE की width, height, behavior. By default, you had seen alternate behavior. Now I will say scroll behavior you had seen. Behavior equals to slide. Okay. Then I can also give width. Suppose I am giving width equals to 150 pixels. It could be in the number of pixels. It could be in the number of percentage. कि screen का कितना percentage चाहिए. Suppose I am saying 50%. So it can also work. So okay, then I am giving some BG color for marquee. BG color equals to, suppose I am giving it as white. Okay, then save it, go to the browser, refresh it. Now you can see, now the screen size, width of the screen size is 50% use. It is not using 100%. Behavior we had given alternate. So it is just moving one time. Infinite nahi aa raha hai. Then if I give scroll, if I give behavior as scroll. Okay, now save it. Go to the browser and refresh it.
मैम अगर हमने कोई डायरेक्शन देना है इसका एक बार वो दिखाना, अगर हम डायरेक्शन देंगे.
We can use direction. We can use. Okay, I'm showing you the one by one. Okay, now direction equals to right. Save. Now see, direction opposite हो गई. पहले by default left आ रहा था. Now it is on right side. ठीक है? Is it clear? Now it is moving continuously. Okay. Now width we can increase, background we can change. Okay, width we can change, background we can change, background color we can change, height we can change the height of this white area, जो marquee area आ रहा है, we can change its height. We can change the font size, we can change the font color by using the font attributes. Before the marquee tag, suppose I'm giving here BG color equals to white. I had given the direction, I had given the behavior, it is scrolling. Now I had given the width. Now I want to give the height. Height equals to, suppose I'm giving it as 100 pixels. Okay. Now save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. See, 100 pixels. Okay. Now I can increase or decrease the size, height and width. We can increase or decrease the size of your text also. Again, go back to the notepad. You can give font size, or you can use the H1 also, heading tags also. H1 font size is equal to, suppose I am giving 6, color equals to red. Okay, and I can give the face equals to, suppose I am giving column. Then after marquee tag, you will close the font tag because it is started before the marquee tag. Now save it, go to the browser and refresh it. Anji beta, clear hai? Khyati, Chahat, Amarjot, is it clear? Tushar? हाँ जी, कौन से attributes use किए हमने आज? One, marquee tag to display the text in a moving, to display the moving text. And after that, we can use the direction left, right, up or down. And we can give the BG color, background color of the marquee. We can give the behavior of the marquee as scroll, slide or alternate. And we can give the width and height of the marquee also. Saving it, go to the browser and refresh it. See, now it is alternate. If I say scroll, so it will scroll from one side, it will go, and other side it will come back again. This is alternate behavior. Okay, I can increase or decrease the size. See, if I say it as scroll, जो हमने पहले किया था. Save it, go to the browser and refresh it. Now it will scroll. Okay, and the difference clear है alternate और scroll का. Then you can, it is going downwards. You can give upward also. You can give it as up, or you can give it as right or left, whatever you want. Okay, then behavior scroll or alternate or slide. Save it. This is alternate behavior. Any doubt till now? Yes, anyone, any doubt in marquee tag? 8D class, at least give answer in the class. At least you have. And do you have any doubt in this tag? Are the attributes clear, or any problem is there? If you have any problem, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes. Bolo. Yes, Riddha.
Ma'am, clear.
Okay, clear. Okay, next tag that we are going to use is, that is your IMG tag, image tag. IMG tag, I told you, that is your that is your empty tag. There is no closing tag. And IMG tag is used to insert images in a web page. Write down the notes for this tag first of all. What is the use of IMG tag? IMG tag used to insert images in a web page. Used to insert images in a web page. This tag is used to insert images on a web page. It is an empty tag. So that means we have only the opening tag. There is no closing tag. Only one opening tag that will specify the source of the image. Attribute, the compulsory attribute जो है हमारा IMG tag के साथ, that is your SRC. SRC, that is the source or the location of the image. Source of image. It specifies the source of image. जैसे हमने बैकग्राउंड में, याद है आप लोगों ने इमेजेस लगाई थी, वेब पेज के बैकग्राउंड में इमेज लगाते हैं. ओपन द इमेज इन एनी वेब ब्राउजर, देन कॉपी द पाथ. In the same way, we will specify the source of the image that you want to insert on a web page. Source of the image. Then what will be the height of the image, what will be the width of the image, and what is the alignment, that is the position of the image. Align can have values only left and right. There is no center value for align attribute of IMG tag. Mind it. There is no center value for IMG align attribute of IMG tag. हम पिक्चर को सेंटर में डिस्प्ले करवाना है तो हम अलाइन इक्वल्स टू सेंटर नहीं लिख सकते, वो वर्क नहीं करेगा. That will be wrong. Source, height, width, and you can also give the border of the image. These are the attributes, 5 attributes of IMG tag: SRC, height, width, align, border. SRC attribute to specify the source of the image. Width and height attribute to specify the width and height of the image. Align attribute to specify the position of the image. And align attribute can have values only left and right. You cannot write it as a center. Okay? Width and height is given in the number of pixels. Border, to specify the border of the image, border is also given in the number of pixels. One more attribute is alt attribute. To specify the text to be displayed, if image is not available. जो सोर्स आपने स्पेसिफाई किया है, अगर उस सोर्स पे वो इमेज नहीं है, दैट इमेज इज नॉट अवेलेबल, then what text should be displayed? Image not found, या name of the image, whatever text you want to display, that text will be specified by the alt attribute. Note down these attributes. Mind it, आपकी बुक्स में एक एग्जाम्पल दी हुई है, वहां पे align equals to center लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है? That is not correct, that is wrong. Okay, whenever you want to display your image in the center of the web page, you are supposed to use the center tag, which I already told you. Center tag, which is used to display the image or text in the center of the web page. So center tag will be used before the img tag to display the image in the center. Otherwise, align attribute will display the image in the left or right. Yes, Jayant?
मैम मुझे ऑल्ट एट्रीब्यूट नहीं मैम समझ आया.
ऑल्ट
नेटवर्क
एट्रीब्यूट
मैम
मींस
प्रॉब्लम.
अगर आपकी इमेज डिस्प्ले नहीं होती है, ठीक है, वेब पेज पर हमने इमेज का सोर्स स्पेसिफाई किया, इफ इमेज इज नॉट अवेलेबल देयर, कोई स्पेलिंग गलत हो गए हैं, या इमेज वहां से डिलीट हो गई है, या वहां पर इमेज है ही नहीं, ठीक है, यहाँ कुछ पाथ में मिस्टेक हो गई है, आपकी इमेज नहीं डिस्प्ले हो रही है, वन और द अदर रीजंस ऑन अ वेब पेज. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ इमेज, व्हाट टेक्स्ट शुड बी डिस्प्लेड इन दैट प्लेस? ठीक है, जहां पर इमेज डिस्प्ले नहीं हो रही है, वहां पर इफ यू वांट तो यू कैन डिस्प्ले सम टेक्स्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ इमेज. Otherwise, src attribute will display the image. Alt attribute is not compulsory, it is not required, only src attribute is required to specify the source of image. First of all, note down, I will show you.
मैम ये एक बैकअप की तरह टैग है.
हाँ जी, एक बैकअप की तरह कह सकते हो कि अगर टेक्स्ट इमेज डिस्प्ले नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो उसकी जगह इफ यू वांट टू डिस्प्ले सम मैसेज, यू वांट टू डिस्प्ले सम टेक्स्ट, दैट टेक्स्ट कैन बी डिस्प्लेड. नाउ img space src. src is the attribute to specify the source of image, double quotes, and then you need the path of the image. Path, जैसे हमने background attribute use किया था to display some images in the background of web page, same way we will specify the path. For that purpose, we will need the path. I'm going here. I'm opening an image in any browser. I hope this window is visible to everyone. I'm finding an image. Okay, I'm finding an image that I want to display. Suppose this image. Click on open. This image is there. Click on the address bar. Control plus C, copy the path. Go to the notepad. Paste the path here. Double quotes, close, angular bracket, close. ठीक है? Clear? Now, source is specified. Now, size क्या होगा? Border कितना आएगा? That is the later on. बाकी के सारे attributes जो हैं, they are not compulsory. I hope this much size is visible to everyone. This much size is visible. Font size is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anji, now source is displayed. Click on file, save, go to the browser and refresh it. See, image has been displayed by default on the left hand side. Size is there. Whatever the original size is there, that is displayed. Now I can go back. First of all, I'm reducing the height of your marquee to 50. Then I'm giving the size of the image now. Source de diya. Now I want width equals to suppose 100 pixels and height equals to suppose I'm giving 150 pixels. And by default it was on the right hand side. I can give align equals to right. Save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. See, size is reduced. 100 pixels and 150 pixels. You can give it as 200, 200, whatever size you want. You can change the size. You can give the size
Ma'am?
here. Yes.
इसका border कैसे दे सकते हैं?
Border वही देने लगे बेटा, देने लगे. I'm giving it. I'm increasing the width a little bit. 150. Height मैंने दी है 250. Now I want to give the border. Border equals to the number of pixels. Thickness 2, 3, 5, 4, whatever number of pixels. Save it. Save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. See, height and width change हो गई. Then I had given the border of 3 pixels. You can give the border of 5 pixels, 7 pixels, whatever number of pixels you need. Now, a line can have only left or right. Okay? If you want to display your image in the center, I'm giving it as 5. Use the center tag before the IMG tag and close the center tag after the IMG tag. Okay? Center tag before and center tag after. Now there is no need to give this align equals to right. Save it, go to the browser and refresh it. See? Got it? Please note down the coding. Note down the example of this code. This is to display the image. Write down IMG SRC equals to name and path of the image, then width and height, then border. ठीक है? Then you also note down the coding for this marquee. Direction, BG color, behavior, height, and width. ठीक है? हाँ जी बेटा, clear है यहाँ तक? Any doubt? Note down हो गया? Harshita, Somil, Rhythm, had you noted down the code? Jayant? Any other doubt, Parthiv?
Yes, ma'am.
Note down the code. Tomorrow we will start with linking tags and then after that we will start with table tag. ठीक है? Yes, Jayant, पूछो बेटा.
मैम बिहेवियर और मैम उसमें डायरेक्शन में मैम फर्क क्या है?
बेटा behavior is alternate or scroll or slide. Behavior means कि how the text will move. Alternate means आपका देखो text जो है वो move करके left पे आ रहा है, वापस right पे जा रहा है, right पे जाके फिर left पे आ रहा है. This much ऐसे move कर रहा है. But scroll जब देते हैं तो it moves from one direction, goes to, then again come from this direction, again come from this direction, same direction से वापस आ रहा है. Screen के end पे जाके उसके बाद फिर वापस left side से आ रहा है. डायरेक्शन टेल यू कि किस डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगा, लेफ्ट साइड पे मूव करेगा या राइट साइड पे मूव करेगा. गिव यू द डायरेक्शन. अब ट्राई करो, देखो मैंने अभी आपको यहाँ पे चेंज करके दिखाया है. सपोज अभी मेरी डायरेक्शन है लेफ्ट एंड बिहेवियर है अल्टरनेट, राइट? सो व्हाट इट इज डूइंग, लेफ्ट साइड से मूव कर रहा है. ठीक है, अल्टरनेट है तो दैट मीन्स वहां एंड पे जाके वापस आ रहा है. दिस इज अल्टरनेट. If I say scroll, so what it will do? Save it, go to the browser, refresh it. Now scroll. Now it is scrolling towards the left side. Now when it goes to the beginning, left side के end पे पहुंचेगा, then it will again come back from the right side. पूरा move करके वापस गायब हो गया. Again, it will start from the right. This is scroll. But it is moving towards the left side. That is the direction. But if I give it as right, okay, if I give it as right, so it will go to the right direction. Now see, it is moving towards the right direction. Now clear? ओके, नाउ स्क्रॉल है तो इट विल अगेन मूव, कंप्लीटली मूव करके वापस लेफ्ट साइड से आएगा, दैट इज स्क्रॉल। ऑल्टरनेट में सेम जगह पर पेंडुलम की तरह लेफ्ट राइट हो रहा है। ओके